In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Chime virtual card in-store for purchases. The Chime virtual card is a secure, temporary card that you can use for transactions while waiting for your physical card or for added security when shopping online and in-store. To use your Chime virtual card in a store, first, open the Chime app on your smartphone and navigate to the Settings section. Look for the Chime virtual card details, where you'll find your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Next, if the store accepts digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, you can add your Chime virtual card to your preferred wallet. Simply go to your wallet app, choose Add Card, and enter your virtual card details manually. Once added, you can use Tap to Pay at checkout by holding your phone near the payment terminal. If the store does not accept digital wallets but allows manual card entry, you can provide the cashier with your virtual card number to process the transaction. However, keep in mind that some stores may require a physical card for in-store purchases. By following these steps, you can conveniently and securely use your Chime virtual card for in-store purchases. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.